Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best silicone oil is probably one of the most crucial elements for achieving those mesmerizing, cell-like effects in your acrylic paint pouring art, transforming a simple pour into a dynamic, organic masterpiece with minimal effort and maximum visual impact. Number 5. ARTEZA Acrylic Pouring Paint Set, Pastel Colors. Introducing the ARTEZA Acrylic Pouring Paint Set. This high-flow paint is pre-mixed and ready to pour, saving you time and effort. Unleash your creativity with 8 soft pastel colors, including titanium white and shimmering bronze. Achieve stunning, delicate artwork with ease. These paints are perfect for a variety of surfaces. You can pour them directly onto glass, ceramics, wood, rocks, canvases, and more. Created by passionate artists, ARTEZA is dedicated to inspiring creativity. We believe art should be accessible to everyone. ARTEZA provides quality painting and drawing supplies for all ages and skill levels. Explore a wide range of art and craft accessories. What we like. This set comes with everything you need to get started, with no mixing required. If you are looking for a convenient way to explore soft, pastel tones in your art, this is a great choice. It's perfect for beginners or those who want to quickly jump into creating beautiful pours on various surfaces. What people say. The ARTEZA acrylic pour colors are beautiful, they dry smoothly, flow well across the canvas, keep their separate colors, create interesting patterns, clean up is a breeze, and it's so convenient having everything pre-mixed. The colors are rich, vibrant, and beautifully pigmented, exactly what you want for acrylic pouring. Best part? They're pre-mixed and ready to go right out of the bottle. No need to mess with additional pouring medium, which is a huge time saver and makes it perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. These pouring paints come ready to pour, no need to measure anything, which makes it very convenient for any skill level. Perfect viscosity that allows smooth flow without being too runny or too thick. Perfectly created artwork even surfaces with these paints. Number 4. US Art Supply 6-ounce Silicone Pouring Oil. Discover the secret to breathtaking cell formations in your acrylic paint pouring art. This specially formulated oil is designed to create intricate patterns effortlessly. No matter your preferred acrylic paint or medium, this pouring oil integrates seamlessly. Achieve versatile results across all your fluid art techniques. Experience controlled application with its optimal viscosity, specifically engineered for acrylic pouring. Get consistent and predictable artistic outcomes every time. Crafted from 100% pure silicone, it's completely clear and odorless. Add it to your paint mixtures without altering their color or scent. Our 6-ounce bottle features an easy cap and precision tip for controlled dispensing. Apply the oil exactly where you want it for perfect results. What we like. This product is specifically formulated to create dramatic cells and intricate patterns in your acrylic pours. If you are aiming for those mesmerizing, organic-looking effects with distinct cell formations, this is the oil for you. Its pure silicone composition ensures consistent and impressive results every time. What people say. Arrived on time, works as advertised for creating cells with my acrylic paint pours. This silicone pouring oil develops perfect cells. It makes all of my pour art perfect. Will be buying more as soon as I run out. Had loads of cells, enjoyed doing acrylic pour. Number 3. Custom Shop 16-ounce Paint Mixing Cups, box of 100. Get a bulk box of 100 16-ounce mixing cups, perfect for any project. Plus, enjoy 12 free lids to keep your mixtures fresh or for easy storage. Achieve perfect results every time with clearly marked mixing ratios. These graduated scales ensure precise measurements for all your liquid projects. Crafted from robust polypropylene, these cups are built to last. Their solvent-resistant design makes them ideal for automotive paints and other tough chemicals. Whether you need disposable convenience or reusable durability, these cups do it all. The clear plastic allows you to easily see your contents while mixing. Perfect for auto body shops, artists, and DIYers alike. Use them for epoxy resin, acrylic pouring, wood coatings, and even garden applications. What we like. If you're a frequent pour artist or work with various mediums like epoxy resin or automotive paints, this bulk pack is incredibly practical. The clear ratio markings ensure accuracy for consistent mixes, and their durability means you can even reuse them. It's ideal for anyone who needs a reliable and cost-effective solution for measuring and mixing. What people say. I love having the measurements on the sides as it helps while I'm mixing my paints mediums. These are well-made plastic containers that work perfectly for resin work. The measurements on the cups are accurate. Quality mixing cups, good size and accurate measurements. Number 2. Impresa silicone oil for acrylic pouring. Experience the pure silicone excellence designed for artists. This additive helps you achieve vibrant cell formations and smooth color transitions in your acrylic pouring projects. Our superior silicone oil is compatible with all liquids and mediums you already use. It integrates seamlessly into your acrylic pouring and painting endeavors without any hassle. Achieve precision in your artwork with the included pipette. The generous 4-ounce bottle offers hundreds of uses, making it an essential tool for your creative process. Proudly made in the USA, this product reflects our commitment to efficiency and reliability. It's a valued addition to any artist's collection, enhancing all your painting supplies. Designed with the ideal weight and thickness, it enhances your acrylic pour paint applications. Enjoy superior performance in paint pouring and silicone painting projects. What we like. This option offers excellent control for precise application, thanks to the included pipette. If you value accuracy and want to add just the right amount of silicone oil to achieve smooth color transitions and vibrant cells, this is a fantastic choice. Its American-made quality ensures reliability for your artistic endeavors. What people say. Worked super well for my paintings. Did pour paintings for several years and no longer use it, but it lasted me a super long time. I still have some left over. Was absolutely worth the money for getting the right consistency to be able to shape your paint properly. Very, very good oil to work with in your acrylic work. I'd buy it again and again. I purchased this because I decided to try my hand at pour painting. I was torn between buying this and a different brand, but I'm glad I went with this one. It's high quality, great for producing cells, and I love that it comes with a pipette, so you have multiple ways of adding it to the piece you're working on. Number 1. Nicpro 7-ounce silicone pouring oil. Unlock dramatic cell effects in your acrylic art with our pure silicone pouring oil. It's 100% silicone, ensuring vibrant results without any unwanted additives or odors. Achieve perfectly clear, colorless effects that won't alter your paint's true colors. This medium is safe, non-toxic, and won't stain your artwork. Easily create stunning cells in your acrylic or watercolor paintings. It's compatible with all your favorite liquid mediums for versatile artistic expression. Our generous 7-ounce bottle features an easy cap squeeze design with a precision tip for mess-free application. Add the perfect amount every time without needing a pipette. Beyond art, it can even be used as a treadmill lubricant to reduce noise. Experience the quality and versatility of this essential art medium. We're confident you'll love the results. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a no-questions-asked refund or replacement for your peace of mind. What we like. For those who want a generous amount of high-quality silicone oil for creating dramatic cells, this 7-ounce bottle is a great value. If you prefer a mess-free, direct application with its easy-to-use squeeze bottle and precision tip, this is ideal. It's perfect for artists who frequently use silicone oil and want a convenient, large-sized option. What people say. Works great for mixed in my pouring media painting. This is a must for acrylic paint pouring. It makes beautiful cells that open up and expose the color underneath. Best of all, you can use a torch and help the cells open up further. Great product. Brilliant value for amount. You also only use a small amount to get results. So will last a while. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.